CA Cloud Service Management lets you manage all aspects of IT assets. In this context, the assets would include all elements of software and hardware that are found in your specified environment. For example, servers, laptops, desktops, virtual machines, operating systems and other assets that are deployed in your network. From the Manage menu, click on Administration, Tools. Click on the Asset Channel button, and select Asset Discovery Configuration. You can populate the asset repository by discovering assets using native discovery, or by importing assets using a third-party tool, and using the Other Discovered Sources option from the drop-down menu. So to begin, set the asset discovery to either native discovery or other discovered sources. Cloud SM requires an on-premise infrastructure to scan the target network. To build this infrastructure, if you have not already done so, download and install the Asset Connector and the Asset Discovery Manager first. Then install the Asset Discovery Processor on dedicated servers. The Asset Discovery Processor scans the target network and discovers assets and gathers data about the assets. The Asset Discovery Manager must be installed and configured on the on-premise server for the Asset Discovery Processor to work. Asset Discovery allows you to identify network assets with an IP address. For example, devices such as servers, desktops and laptops. The specified IP address range tells the discovery tool which devices to scan. To specify the scope of discovery, use wildcard entries for a wide range of IP addresses. Next, check Installed Applications to discover already installed applications in the target network. Or, check the Virtual Environments option to discover guest-host relationships for various virtual environments. Specify the credentials for each of these platforms and protocols. It is important to provide the admin, root credentials of the target network on the native discovery configurations page. Set the login attempts value to at least one less than the account lockout policy threshold in the target network. Now scroll down. Set the recurrence schedule by specifying the date and time at which the scan is scheduled to be started and ended. Be sure to save the Asset Discovery configuration. To view the status of your scheduled discovery, navigate to Manage, Tools, and Asset Discovery Status. You can view the list of discovered assets from the Asset Center. From the Workspaces menu, go to Asset Management, and then Asset Center. The Asset Center has color-coded badges across the top to help you filter the view. Hover over each badge to see the filter. You can filter for all assets, total physical assets, total virtual assets and total discovered assets. Or use the filter button to create your own search criteria. For more detailed information, refer to Asset Management in the Documentation Wiki under the Learn menu.